Hey guys, and welcome to today's session on how to do a quick cash sale. Now, there might be multiple reasons of why you might do a cash sale. It may be a customer that's going to be in and out within a short period of time. It may be a customer that you're not very likely going to see again and there's no need to follow up. Or it may even be for retail purposes where a customer comes into your workshop and they want to buy something off the counter. So the quickest and easiest way to do a cash sale is by clicking on the plus up here, coming down to customer invoice, searching for our cash sale customer, which you should have one pre-saved in your system, and if not, follow the help guide on how to create a customer. Now, we're not going to worry about attaching a vehicle to this, and we're not going to worry about any of the invoice settings because a lot of that is not relevant for a cash sale invoice. So the second step is you want to go and add in the part. So what you can do is click in the first box, start typing in the part number or the description of the product, click on it and it adds it there to the invoice. Another really cool feature if you utilize a barcode scanner is you can click on the box, pick up your barcode scanner, scan the product. That's found that there's a set of brake pads. Click on the product to add it, and as you can see, that's added it to their invoice. The third and final step, once it's all done, is you want to come down and hit process. This will now give you the option to put in how the customer paid. And another really cool feature for doing cash sales is if the customer doesn't want a big A4 piece of paper and you want to print off a little docket for them, judging that you use a thermal printer, click on this little toggle over here and make sure that it's set to docket, put in the payment method, and hit process. What this will then do is it will generate the docket for you. And as you can see there, it's just a small docket. I hope that's helped, guys. All the best.